Hey guys, I want to show you my air guns. That's all of them. And I got some 112 gauge shotgun and like 3 or 4 22. But these are just my air guns. I don't have a lot of air guns because I'm mostly into fishing. I have a whole bunch of equipment with it, and I haven't uploaded too many videos because I lost the camera. And so I want to show you. And also that hunting in the winter I hunt more, and I don't do a lot. I spend most of my money and fishing stuff, so I don't have a lot of money to buy an air gun. But I'm going to turn 16, so I will be able to start cause I'm going to get a job. So by then I'll probably have enough money to buy those nice Gamma rifle. This is the best one I got so far of the whole tire set, the Chinese Shanghai. So yeah, not like one of these. This cost me like I think $17 on rollover, and I just took it just for fun. That one, the small one cost 25, and this one's 17, so you can see. Okay, let me show you. Take off the caps. Yeah, this is a 4x15. This is a 4x15 tactical rim fire. These are kind of scopes that are meant for 22s. I bought one. I'll try to put one in there just to see if it will work, but it didn't. So get to the gun. I put my box into its place. Just take a second. Alright. As you can see, it's a Pump Masters 760. Maybe if you can see it, it says Pump Master 760 Pump Master 177 caliber. It's a 4.5 mm. BB2 takes BB. Right here, it's the BB holder 200, and up here, just right beneath the scope, is the 18 count BB. And then for the pellets, just right here, just slide this back, and that's a 5 pellet repeater. Just 5. Get into the light for a while. Footage, sorry. Get better. There you go. This is really cheap wood. You can see it's hollow. Basically, the only metal part is like right the barrel. It goes up to 10 pumps, but if you go 10 more than 10, it will mess it up, because I did that. I accidentally, when I miscounted, it opens just automatically. If you don't pump it like one time, it just opened there. As you see, I had a flashlight and laser. I just stuck that in there, because I always do something to my gun just like that one in there. I always put that on, put a tripod, a scope, if I can see, and a laser too with it. Let's see, I lost a little piece right here when I was fishing. Just came back, I was coming back from fishing, caught some nice 20-pound carp, and I had the gun inside my book bag. Book bag, just placed it in there, and I saw a pigeon down there, like 2 or 3, and the scope wasn't too accurate back at that time, but I just took some shots just for fun. And I guess when I put it back inside my book bag, I lost it. And that day I also lost the tip of my rod, so I had to go buy me 3 more. You know, you lose 1, you get 3 more. So that's what I had to do. Really don't know. It's like these kind of scopes, I'm having a little bit hard time. You can see, if you can see the inside of the scope, it's a crosshair. That's a nice one. I'm gonna get a bigger one though, as soon as I get money. But it's let's see. It's about 3 months away from summer, so I will be spending a whole bunch of money and just fishing and rods. And so the Master 760 has a nice, awesome sight, ultra. And I don't know what's it gonna call again, but it has a nice optical green anything. Oh, I forgot. Just as the Daisy Buck has it too, but this one is red. I wanted to have one like that, cause not so we can be good. You can tell. It's awesome. So yeah, these are awesome little guns. I haven't killed so many with this one yet. Just with those two mostly. I don't take it a lot now because I use it now. This one is for squirrels. I shot a squirrel before. I got him down. Shot pigeons with this one. Two birds in one tree. Where the two small ones I shot from there. So and then the Daisy Buck. This was my first air gun basically. I had a pistol, but I still do somewhere up there. I have it, but I'm not gonna show it because I'm running out of time. But this is my first air gun, BB gun basically. They had the 400 BB holder. As you notice, it says go down, but it broke. So that's a little bit glue there. You can tell. And it opens up now. So yeah, you put oil right here in the small. I killed about 50 birds total. I shot a whole bunch of pigeons before. I wouldn't shoot them and like instantly kill them, but I would shoot them in the wing and break them, and then finish them off, killing them in the head. With once they're down, I killed very much. I shot red robins in the beak, cause that's how good of aim it is. I killed several blue jays, small little pharaohs, pigeons, dove. I shot a chicken one time. It was one time. Let's see. I shot a whole bunch of rabbits too. Shot a rabbit with that one. I got him. Alright. I'm not gonna speak about that one because I already made a video about that, but I shot a rabbit with it too. As you can see, there's something wrong with it. My dad actually cut it because there was a beehive in it, and his dumb self, and actually didn't thought of putting something in there and taking out the beehive, but he has. So anybody can tell me, comment below what website to get a new barrel light for $20 or something, cause the gun still works fine. It's pretty plain. As you can see, it has nothing, like no shape compared to this one. No shape, you can see. It's flat. This one's better. No sight, kind of safety in the air. Yeah, I don't know what kind of air gun. It just has like some kind of seal. You can tell. Put it up. Oh, you can tell right there. Just come seal with a ball. Some Chinese letter right there. It was kind of dirty, like brownish, and I just scraped it off. You can tell it's kind of still, but I scraped it off with sandpaper. I put a BB sight on it. It works for. You have to calculate it though. You're shooting about 15 feet or more. You have to put it on number 3 right here, just to get a shot at that. If it's a big animal, like a squirrel or a rabbit standing up, but if it's a small bird, you're not going to get shot. But it's break barrel, small barrel though. Still works pretty fine. Hits hard enough to kill an animal. My dad has shot turkeys with these, and I have shot a turkey with that one too. I don't know, but I seen him shoot turkey with this gun, and this gun is even powerful than that one. So I don't see why people say the pump master can't kill one. If I actually had shot one before, we went riding around after we left my mom to work, and we found a turkey, and we pulled over to the side and got down into the woods and went to go shoot, and I actually shot him into the head, straight in dead in the middle of the head between. So actually the pump master can actually kill one too. It goes up to 625 feet with BBs and 600 with pellets. That one's it says 195 yards, and actually, I think if it's like straight, it probably won't, because I tried to shoot a bird we're like 30 feet and it didn't. I guess it was kind of wind. So this one shoots I don't know, this one's a high power one. He don't say it. I think like over 625 or something like that. And yeah, I have some hunting gear here. These are just down. Oh crap. Okay. These are some of my binoculars I use when I go hunting. Nice cool ones. See, got these for an awesome price at the store. Picking up the CDs.